guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through and review of this Be Kind watercolor happy planner. So if you would like to see that, keep watching. Okay, so one thing I wanted to mention is that there wasn't a lot of neutral options for big happy planners for 2021. I was a little bit disappointed in that. I was hoping for more options, but I decided to pick this up at Hobby Lobby. I actually bought two of these because, and you'll see why as I show it to you, because for Patreon, I have the top tier gets me to create spreads for them and mail them to them. And a lot of them use big happy planners. And so I was running out of pages. So for 2021, I now have two of these, and I have a wild styled and a mosaics. So I'm pretty much covered, I think, for the year with 4 planners. I don't know which one I'm going to be using personally yet. I might do some Franken planning, but I am really excited that I got this because online I was like unsure, but this is really, really pretty and I'm really glad I got it. Anyway, so as I said, this is a 12-month planner. It goes from January to December in 2021. It is the big vertical layout, which is the one I use. And I love these discs. I love how they're doing these for some of the planners now, the different color discs, and it's not like rainbow, but it's really cool, right? So let me just take this off to show you this cover. It's just prettier than I thought it was going to be. I wasn't thrilled when I saw it online, but look how pretty this is. It says, work hard, stay humble, and always be kind. And that's in sort of like a gold foil there. So I think it's a really pretty cover. And with the discs, it's just really beautiful. So I'm going to do a flip through for you. All right, so inside the front cover, it's this like watercolory stripe. I think that's really cute. And of course you get this little sheet that talks about the vertical layout. So here is the name page. It says, "You look lovely. This big happy planner belongs to." And then over here, you've got like this watercolor wash. I think it's so cute. And my nails kind of match this. Look at almost exactly with that disc. The little things, right? Little things please me. Okay, so here we have the date page, the calendar page for 2021 and 2022. These are the year at a glance pages, and I don't know how I'm going to use these yet for 2021, but I do have some ideas. I don't know if you saw that video that I made on 70 ways to use these year at a glance pages. If you're a little bit confused as to what to do, check that out. I'll put a card up there right now so you can click on that if you want and go check that video out. But I like these because they are really neutral. It's just gray boxes every once in a while. It's very subtle, not too much decoration, and that is what I love. My dream planner is like bright, colorful dividers and neutral pages, and this pretty much is like that. So your currently page looks like this. You have a section that's dot grid for notes and ideas. You have a line section here that says focus on, and down here it's holidays, birthdays, dates to remember. And it gives you a couple of holidays, and then you can fill out the rest. So this is pretty blank. You're able to pretty much fill it out as you wish, and that is what I like with the currently page. So right off the bat, January's divider is really bright and colorful and pretty. It says, "In every season, be grateful," in gold foiling, and the rest is just like a pretty watercolor wash. So I really love that look. And let's see what the monthly looks like. So this is my dream monthly layout. We have no color here. We have no pictures or anything like that. It's very, very neutral and basic, just black and white. There's nothing down the middle. And then one of the things I love about it is that January 2021 is in this like block letters, which honestly is totally my style because it's very clean. But the thing I like about that is that you can color these in. So if I decorated this, say, for like a winter theme and it was like light blue with snow and stuff, I can color those in light blue. And I think that just makes it like really versatile and then brings some color to the top of the page. So I'm excited about that. I'm not crazy about this jot it down over here. I don't really like the section where they write notes or jot it down, but it doesn't bother me that much because it is black and white and I can always cover it up. It's very small, but if I don't cover it up, it still doesn't bother me. And then over here is like dotted lines on the sidebar, which I actually really like dotted lines better than actual lines because they're less noticeable, but yet they're still lines. So perfect, perfect, perfect. I love this so much. I can't wait to do my monthlies on these. Okay, so now we get to the weekly pages. Again, love this so much, and this is why I bought this planner. There's no thick lines here. There's no color whatsoever, except you've got this wonderful color on the discs in the middle. The font for the numbers up here is the same font as in the new dog and cat planners. It's like kind of stylistic. Is that a word? It's just different. It's like stylish is what I'm trying to say. And it's like, I don't know. I just kind of think it's cute. Over here, December, January is like, again, that block lettering, but also just like shaded in gray, which is great. Here, again, we have notes, not like really a fan of that, but again, it's so small and it's black and white. The sidebar has like graph paper here. And then in the middle, we have little lines that are horizontal lines coming out. And typically I don't like anything in the middle, but honestly, this does add a little bit of style to the page without being overbearing. It is black and white. The lines are small, so it doesn't bother me at all. The only time I would have to cover it up is if I was doing some design like from the spine, like this, like putting stickers across or something. But honestly, I don't do that very often, and I just love this so much. So it's not going to bother me at all. So on every other week, we're going to have a little quote down here, which again does not bother me. This one says, "This is where the adventure begins." It's still so neutral. I don't like the quotes actually are kind of cute, so I don't care about that at all. This is the next week with nothing down there. This one says, "You can't always be strong, but you can be brave." And then again, nothing on this one. There's a little smudge there. I wonder why that's smudged. Well, I got a little bonus smudge there on that week. We can work with that. Okay, now we're into February. Again, the same very neutral black and white currently page. It's going to be the same on every month. It's just going to say a different month up top. This is really pretty. It's like a pink and purple stripe. It says, "Do all things with love." I'm not going to take you through all the months and weeks because they're going to be the same, but I did want to check to see if the quotes were different. Yeah. So this one says, "Radiate positive vibes." And this one says, "When you feel like quitting, think about why you started." Okay, March, we have this green. They're like ovals. It's kind of interesting. April is black, but it says, "Look how far you've come." And it really matches those discs so well. May is really pretty. Every day is a fresh start. And then it's like pink with these watercolory darker patches there. June, wonderful days ahead. So I really do like the designs on this planner on the dividers. I don't know that I'm going to use this yet, but we'll see. July, new month, fresh start with like real summery colors, right? August, we have some gold foil flowers. It says, "Don't call it a dream, call it a plan." I love the blues so much. I love like the blue watercolor wash. I love blues because we don't get that a whole lot from the Happy Planner, but we're seeing it a lot more lately. So that makes me happy. September, kind words cost nothing. And then we have like these gold foil stripes across. October says it's okay to slow down with more greens and yellows and blues there. November, make big plans. And then we have like a strip of watercolor here. I really like these designs. Okay, and December says every season serves a purpose, and this is like gold foil here. And again, the same stripe, I guess, as like the back of the cover. Yeah, but really, really cute. And then the last page, there's always some note paper, and then it's just like lined, and we have this sort of purpley blue side here near the discs. Okay, and then the back, I'll just show to you. Same beautiful back, just like the front cover. I am in love with this so much. So I really like this planner. Again, not sure if I'm going to use it or not for myself. I will definitely be using the neutral pages, and maybe Franken planning some of the dividers in, or using this cover. I'm not sure, but I really am a fan of these discs. So it's going to be a hard decision for me which planner to use for 2021, which big planner. Even my classic, I'm still having a hard time. So I haven't like totally, I don't have it all set in my mind what I'm using yet, but it's always fun to think about. And it's always fun to make a video on my setup. I can't wait for that. That will be coming in December. I'll show you everything that I'm using for 2021. That's going to be super exciting. So I hope you guys like this video, and maybe it was helpful for you. I don't know if there's flip throughs out there for this, but I wanted to give you one myself. So hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.